What is up, guys? Today we have a review and unboxing of the speaker from Tribit company that is called Tribit Stormbox 2. That's portable wireless speaker for only $44. I got it, so I think on discount on 11/11 or any other event you can get it for $40, which is insanely cheap price for the speaker. The characteristics is very comparable with JBL speakers, and let's check it out what's it's advertised here. So 24 hours playtime. Of course, it's not that real. If you put it on minimum volume, maybe it will play 24 hours, but I guess 12 hours easily, even up to 15 it can be on a regular volume. 2x 17 watt speakers, so in total we have 34 watt speakers here, 360-degree sound, IPX7 waterproof here. X-Bass functions, hands-free calling, so microphone built in here, Bluetooth 5.3, also stereo pairing, you can connect several speakers together and have a stereo sound, and Tribit app is supported. On the back, what we've got, the model BTS32, the production date, it was produced when let's check it out, 25 August 2025, and here we have the slogan, treat yourself with better beats. Okay, let's open it up and check it out how it looks like. Actually, you have the plastic here that I don't really like. Look at this. Actually, they can make it much better without the things. Okay, so again, plastic and some instructions, so the box we don't need anymore. Instruction available in many languages actually, so it's actually showing the indicator status, how to turn it on, turn it off, how to change the volume. Double click, one click is just pause, double click is actually next track, triple click is a back track, and when you are talking by phone also you can cancel it, also you can mute yourself. Then how to connect it to your app, and that's pretty much it for some technical characteristics available here. You can see it here below. So the batteries they advertise is 2 batteries, 2600 mAh each battery, with X-Bass of 24 hours, so 60% volumes advertised. Charging time is 4 hours, the weight is 580 grams. So actually for the weight I'm not sure that it's real, so I will check it out later on definitely. The frequency ranges, Bluetooth and supported protocols as well. So maximum 10 watts in order to achieve the maximum charging speed. Actually that's it from this point of view. Also the cable we have, just regular USB Type-C cable, so even don't want to open it up, just normal. And the speaker itself, let's weight it up, because it was hard for me when I was choosing the speaker to find the real weight of the Tribit. So let me check the scales, take it here and let's weight it. Okay, so let's check the weight here. Let's try like this, so 0 gram. So it's 599 gram, and advertised is, we can try one more time. Let's turn it off and put it again, turn it on. 580 gram advertised here. So 600 gram exactly. Actually it's quite nice to have it 600 gram, as JBL weight is around 700 grams, so it's lighter than JBL. That's already good. Maybe without this thing it will be 590 as advertised. So that's really nice that they didn't cheat. What else we have here? So here we have the charger, Type-C charger, aux cable, which is actually not included, but you can use it with your laptop. For example, I have the monitor here, I can also connect it. So here it's some code, then DC 5 volt, aux here, then the power on button, Bluetooth button, X-Bass button, and connection button. Also you have this pause, plus, minus sound. Okay, let's turn it on. I already have the Tribit app on my Samsung phone, so let me open the app to show you what we have inside. So that's how the app looks like. Here I already connect my speaker here. I don't know what it will. Some random song is playing, but okay. So actually volume can be controlled here, also change the track, equalizers. So here is the presets that they have: jazz, rock, classic, audio, X-Bass, X-Bass off. I think you already heard many reviews that there's not enough the bass here, and I partially agree with it. On a stock one, even including X-Bass, as you see I don't use it, but if you activate it, it's automatically switched to X-Bass. When you disable it, it's just switch to X-Bass off. I created my own presets and I found it actually on the internet, and it's really helpful. The bass, and this one is really for bass, and actually you will not feel that it's not enough bass if you use this preset. So let me show you how it looks like. Actually, as you see, there's a scale here, and you can just copy paste it, and I think you will really have the nice bass. So you can just put on pause and check it out. That's how it looks like. So I call it bass, and this is much better than X-Bass options provided by default by Tribit. So use this one. Also in settings you have version information, countdown to shut down. You can activate it and select when to shut it down. Equalize button, how it works. Actually you can put which one you want to have, like bass for example, X-Bass, and activate it and see what you want to use. This AQ button. AQ button switches to the AQ you have selected, so I think this button is AQ button. Let's try it out, whether it's working. It's to connect the two speakers maybe between each other, I don't know, truly speaking never use it. So let's disable it. It's disabling fast, enable fast with some sound of course, as Chinese like to do it this way. Connecting fast to your phone. Voice prompts also available, so you see which voice prompt you can use, like maximum volume, low battery, Bluetooth pairing, power on, power off. Okay, actually this can be disabled. Nice. TVS pairing beep, maximum volume beep, low battery beep. Okay, let's try to disable. Okay, nice. You can disable the sounds because I don't really like it. It's quite annoying. Now it's almost soundless. Almost. At least some sounds are available. Maybe you can also disable it, but as for now I disable power on, power off beep. Okay, and you have auto shutdown here. No operation for 5 minutes. Battery is lower than 5%. In connected state there is no music for 15 minutes, so also can be set it up. And then you have shutdown, upgrade firmware. I use the latest one, delete this device, and factory resets. So actually what's supported by the app, here you have the, let me show you. As an example, I will find some no copyright music on the YouTube, some new song. Let's try it out. Okay, so let me show you that buttons are working. So as you see, the volume control is working. Play. When you click 2 times, it's actually going to next song. When you click 1, 2, 3, it's going back. Then pause. So actually buttons are here covered, you can feel them. Actually, as you see, when I press here, it's not pressing. We need to press exactly in the middle. Same as for 4 minus, same for this round. That's how the design looks like. Everywhere you have the Tribit logo, everywhere is rubber. And the quality is actually quite nice. I really like the quality. Also you have this handle, quite convenient. You can put it this way. And actually, as you see, the advertiser said to put it this way, how the Tribit logo is indicated, but also I like to put it another way around, so to have 360 sounds, because from this side there is no sound. And finally, let's test the sound. So I will use my microphone, put it closer to the speaker. Of course, it will be quite hard to evaluate the sound using the microphone, but I have got DJI microphone, so I guess the sound should be well. So let's listen the 50% volume here. Let's move on. So now I will put on like 20-25% around. So you can hear the click. So you hear how it sounds. Actually, it's quite hard to evaluate, but based on my personal experience, I really like for $40. You will not find any better option with this price, with this better, with these characteristics here available in this Tribit. Of course, I checked in my country, the price was around $100, which definitely don't worth it, don't buy it for $100, but if you can get it for $40 or $50, it's really insane speaker for its price. The battery life is long, the technology here actually is quite modern, comparable to JBL speakers. The maximum loudness is really loud, the app is available, and actually the speaker I really like to use, and the quality of materials, quality of everything is made really well. So actually that's my quick experience review that I use it for like several weeks, so maybe in several months or half a year I will make one more review with more details after usage, but as for now I really like it. And for this price, it's actually best option available on the market. And it's not advertisement, I didn't pay it by Tribit. I just really enjoy it. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.